In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Slack data. If you've ever needed a clean, downloadable copy of your Slack conversations and related information, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to click and what to expect along the way. First, a quick note on access. Full data exports in Slack are typically restricted to Workspace owners and admins. If you don't see the options I'm about to mention, it likely means your account doesn't have the necessary permissions. In that case, check with your Workspace's administrator to proceed. When you're ready, open Slack on your desktop app or in a web browser. Look to the top left and click your Workspace name. From that menu, choose Tools and Settings, then select Workspace Settings. This will take you to your Workspace administration page in the browser if you aren't already there. On that page, locate the Import/Export data section. Click into it and then switch to the Export tab. On the Export tab, you'll see controls to choose a date range. Set the window for the messages and data you want to include. Narrowing the date range can speed up the export and keep the file size manageable, which is especially helpful for large workspaces. When your date range looks right, click Start Export. From here, Slack prepares the export in the background. The time it takes depends on how much data is included and how busy your workspace is. You don't need to keep the page open while it processes. When the export is ready, Slack will send you an email with a secure link to download your zip file. If you don't see the message after a while, check your spam or junk folder. It's a good idea to download the file promptly, as links like this can expire for security reasons. The zip file you receive will contain your exported Slack data for the dates you selected. What's included can vary based on your plan and settings, but it commonly contains message history and related metadata. Because this information can be sensitive, store it in a secure location and handle it according to your organization's policies. That's the entire process. Open your Workspace settings, navigate to Import Export Data, choose the Export tab, set your date range, start the export, and download the zip from the email Slack sends. Follow these steps and you'll have your Slack data neatly packaged and ready for auditing, backup, or compliance needs. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to share it with your team so everyone knows where to find the export tools.